Hi, this is Chef Perez of Regina's Kitchen. How are you today? Now, we're gonna make fish, the Szechuan fish. It has all the different ingredients, a little spicy, and it's easy to make. Let's go. Do it with me. Okay, we're gonna start our fish. And I cut this fish. This is a swai. This is a boneless, it's a fillet, and it's a white meat, and it's so good. It's like grouper, but you will love it. And we will do the fish first. And I have the cake flour that it is seasoned with garlic, with a granulated garlic and granulated onion and pepper and a little of salt. Okay, and we also have here also a cake that flour that we can make as a batter. Okay, so we'll start. We start with our fish. Okay, this way I cut it into three. I bought this one is like this, but starting it, we have to really top it with a paper towel so that it will be no moist or whatsoever. It's not wet. Okay, so our flour will be absorbed, and it looks like it is good already, and it's ready for us. Okay, so we have here, you have to top it first in here so that the batter that we're gonna be making will be there and will not be removed as we fry. Okay, so and just, you know, easy to make this. And if you like okay. Making the batter, we need to have a cold water. Okay, and you can use at least 1.5 cup of cold water, and we can put and beat the egg. Okay, and we will pour it to our 1.5 cup of flour. Okay, so just do it gradually until it looks like a pancake. So you don't have to put everything. If you achieve a thin pancake mix, that will be a good one. And don't worry about the lumps. Okay, just don't worry about the lumps. And here we are. This is it. We'll just put it aside and we'll start frying. Just put it aside. We're gonna start frying. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this on, and we will put our oil for frying. Okay, you will see if the oil is ready. You can put a drop of our batter, and it goes up right away. So meaning we are ready to fry. Okay, Okay, we'll try, and we still have, if you have time, and just put it there. Okay, and dip it here, and just go, let it go first, and down. Okay, and we'll put 3 this time, so the temperature will not go down, and we'll still have, and you can move it maybe in a few minutes, 1 minute, and then you can just turn it. You can tell it's crispy. This fish is so good, either without the vegetable, by itself. Just prepare your sauce, and it is so good. Okay, you can have the fish and chips, and of course we want this with the rice, so we want vegetable with it. Just be sure that you get all the floating thing in there, so it will not be burned. It's ready to fry and ready to take it out. So we have this one. Just look at this. Beautiful. Today, we're gonna make our vegetables, the Szechuan vegetable. Very simple. And we have our bok choy, which is I blanched it already. I have a cut of celery and 2 stoves. And I have a multiple color of our bell peppers. And of course, we're gonna saute it with our ginger and onions. And of course, we have our garlic. Okay, so let's go and start. Okay, I have the sliced ginger here, just a small piece. You can start sauteing that. Right. And then we have the slices, not mince, slices of our garlic. And we have our white onions, slices. I use the small onions, but I have 2 of them. Okay. This one is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Have 1 teaspoon of this garlic. The chili garlic. Just to give a little heat on there. And then we put our soy sauce and oyster sauce. You can make it a little. Then just put your celery. Okay. And just a little bit of water. For now, let's see how it is so that it will not burn our garlic and ginger. Granulated chicken that gives us a little flavor. I'm not going to put this one. This is might be too much. So we'll try and taste it. Okay, let's just put our red and yellow bell pepper. Okay. And we will put a little bit more of our water. We have the blanch bok choy, and this one is ready. We can just put a little bit more water. So when we put our fish, it will not absorb all of this. Okay? We will just pour it on top of our fish. Okay, we'll see how. Okay, I think I want a little bit of hot. Another teaspoon, because that's what it says, Szechuan. And you can see it is already with a little, you don't have to put thickening it, because it looks like it is already. And we are done. Okay, we're just gonna put our fish here and put our vegetable on top. Okay. See, you don't have to make it so thick, actually, because the fish will be absorbing all the juice. But if you want a spicy, you can put more of the chili thing in here. Okay, we have one up. Good one. Here's our Szechuan fish. Easy as 1, 2, 3.